Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You are highly welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Guys, today I want to take you guys along with me and show you how I make this nice homemade lovely healthy juice, 100% natural. Guys, this drink is very good. It's very powerful. Okay, you need to give it a try. It helps a lot. You do a lot of cleansing, and it helps our men a lot to perform longer and stronger in the bed and stay very longer in the bed. Guys, you need to give it a try. Okay, so guys, follow me and I will show you all the ingredients I use to achieve this lovely juice. So guys, these are the 3 ingredients we are going to use to make this lovely powerful juice. This is carrots, turmeric. I'm using 5 chunks of turmeric to make the juice. Don't peel the back. The back is very healthy. You don't need to peel the back, just leave it. And the third one is pineapple. These 3 ingredients you see now is very powerful, guys. Give it a try, okay, and you will see what I'm saying about it. And I'm going to use my juice machine to blend it. If you don't have juice machine, you use your normal blender. It's still the same. Okay, after that you use your sieve and take the chaff out. Okay guys, so we're going to start blending the juice now. I'm going to start with the pineapple first. So guys, I want to use this opportunity to thank my old and my new subscribers. Guys, thank you so much for always popping in. I so much appreciate you guys. I'm here today is because of you guys, okay? I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. My God will bless you guys for me, okay? And please, if you have any medical line, please always check on your doctor before you can take anything. Although it's fruits, is 100% natural, there is no any chemical there, but it's good to ask, okay? Just don't take it. I'm not a doctor, but I'm just showing you guys what that work for me, okay? So that's why I say always check on your doctor before you can go ahead to take it, okay? So that's it. So let's continue blending the fruits. And guys, this thing you see is very good. If they are the type of man that don't stay long in the bed, that once you go under a minute the show has finished, you really need this drink. This drink will make you to stay longer in the bed, and you will enjoy yourself, and madam will also enjoy herself, okay? So this is the end of it. I've finished blending all the fruits. You can see the drink, very fresh and healthy. So guys, this is the end of all the ingredients put together. You can see how it looks. Guys, look at it. Do you see it? Very fresh, okay? So I'm going to put it in the fridge now and allow it to get cold before I can drink it. But you can take it straight away. If you are kind of person that doesn't like cold drink, you can drink it like this. It's still okay. but I like it when it's cold. So, or you use ice cube and take it straight away. Okay, guys? So, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is the end of the video. I so much appreciate you guys. If you like this video, please thumbs up for me, okay? And if you haven't subscribed to me, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, okay? So that's it for now. Thank you so much. Bye bye.